today we would be looking at how to create this shape in SketchUp. The only tool we use is the Follow Me tool. So we are going to delete everything and start from the beginning. So you draw a plane. In the view, switch on the edges and profile, which by default you're drawing a plane. And make it as a component. Now you're drawing a 3-point arc. Here, 3-point arc, and offset the arc by say 5 inches. Doesn't matter. And now you have a plane here. Group it. This plane 3 meters you're extruding, 3 meters, and take this curve, copy this curve and paste it, Ctrl V, paste it here. So this curve is where you are going to put your POP profile, the roof. Now you are taking a small rectangle. Now you are drawing your profile here. I want a profile of 8 inch by 8 inch. And how do I want this profile? I will use a freehand tool to draw a plane. Okay. Or say I want a profile by this. So this is my profile, and I'm moving my profile to here. And I'm rotating this. I'm using arrow keys to select the also I'm rotating like this 90 degrees. So now this curve acts as an extrude with push and pull is extruding a planar surface in a straight line, but this is an extrude tool. But if you want to extrude it through the curve, you have to use Follow Me tool. So now you click on this plane and don't leave the mouse, and then go near the edge and you see the red line for this continued curve. You draw along the red line, and when you come to the edge, then leave your mouse left button. Till then you're not leaving the button, and you leave the button and you see the shape being formed. Now you can select this thing, select the shape, and then give it a stone appeal, and you're grouping it. You can move this end point to this because you have drawn this curve, or you have copied this curve from this point, so it will fit or match exactly to your wall. You can also move this along the wall, and scale I'm giving -1 so that you get this pattern or this design, and then you can place this at the bottom if you wish. I'm moving it again here, and then -1, move like this. And now we'll see another use of Follow Me tool. I've drawn a rectangle again plane. I can delete the old one, and in this plane now we are using like a sweep, 360-degree sweep. I'm drawing a line for 1.3 meters. Now I took a freehand tool. I want to draw a pot or a fountain like shape with the freehand tool. Like this I've drawn, and and you can remove rectangle and only keep this plane on, and take a circle. You're placing the circle at the bottom point, and the circle should always be on the axis tangential to this. And from here I have circle of this size. You can delete the plane of the circle, and now you take the follow me tool. You're clicking the plane that you are required to sweep, and then you're traveling along this curve till here. You go till here, and then yes, like this. So if this circle touches your plane, then you will get the perfect 360 degrees. Now you have this shape. Now we'll do another tutorial. Watch carefully. You have a rectangle and you have a line 1.4 meters, and now you're taking a freehand shape. Like this you took. Here I think you can go like that. Yes. And you can erase this. You take a circle here, and you can select this surface, delete the surface, follow me tool. You can select this and go along with this curve. So you will get this edge, this thing, only if your circle is not touching this properly. You can follow me tool. Now since this point is touching your edge, now you will get a perfect 360 degree sweep. Look, complete 360 degree sweep, and you can erase. Make sure the point where you are revolving is touching your surface. You're making it as a component. You can rotate the component 90 degrees, and like this, and you can select all, give it a stone finish. You can move this here, make this smaller, and you can move this. You can move this here. Yes, done. View, remove edges and profiles to see how it looks. This is not a rendered view, but you will know how a rendered view of this looks like. I'll try to render this and post it. Camera, view, animation, add scene. Thank you for watching.